Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be a special video, just an unboxing video featuring a couple of items that I bought for me during the holiday season. Alright, let's start off with the first item. Most likely you're going to know what it is from the title of this video, but it is an Acura TL Key Chain. And I started collecting keychains of cars that I owned from my last car, which was the 93 Honda Accord. That was Arcadia green. It was a very special car to me because it taught me a lot about cars, honestly, and if it wasn't for that car I wouldn't be here from like all the knowledge I know now. Alright, this is going to be more sentimental to me more than anybody else, I guess, and let's see what it looks like. I already actually opened this just to check out if the items were legit or not, and yeah, they are. I got these from Etsy. And I think it was a lady that made it across seas somewhere in Europe, and I gotta say, like, these are like high quality, like they look legit, and it looks really nice. Like, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but like this is high quality stuff. Like I can't really bend it, but that's actually the first time I'm taking it out of the little zippy. And as you can see from the logo, I'll probably put some B-roll right in here, but so you can see right there, this looks dope. Like, I know it's most likely laser cut, and oh my gosh, like you can see the little engraving that says like Acura, and like that's crazy. Acura, I don't have a TLS, but pretty close, I guess, of my car. This was what I'm looking for, what I'm going for anyways. But that's dope. This is the back side, and I think she sold them individually, but that's the back, and this one is the front. And this one is just slightly bigger than the other one on the rear, not by much, but this looks dope. Same thing, high quality, very high quality, most likely laser cut. The little Acura logo is pretty sick. Can't wait to put it on my keychain and add to the collection, which is 2. I have 2 cars now, well, 2 keychains of cars. Yeah, this is mad high quality, dude. Like, pretty sure it's laser cut and everything. Like, it's sick. Can't wait to put it on. Alright guys, let's move on to the next item. This one is from Mighty Car Mods, and I don't know if you guys subscribe to them. If you don't, please do, because I've been following them for a long time, and definitely appreciate all the work that they do, because if it wasn't for them I probably wouldn't have made this channel, honestly. And after watching one of their videos, I think it was on the unicorn circuit, they were saying something about Cheryl's box and saying they have like a limited quantity. I was like, you know what? I haven't bought anything from them yet. Let me buy one of these. And this is what it looks like. This is actually, I haven't opened this yet. So this is what it's looking like right now. What does that say? Cheryl's box? Yeah, Cheryl's mystery box. Alright. Oh snap. Oh, it's a bunch of stuff that I would have bought anyways. Yeah, it's like a mystery box, but it comes with some of all their accessories that they carry. So this one is JDM style cloth tape, which is like gaff tape, I guess. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but that's pretty sick. I mean, I'm going to eventually use this. That's sick. I'm going to put some B-roll of these items. Top. I forgot what these are. They're like similar to like the seatbelt style stuff. That's actually pretty dope. Pretty high quality stitching also. That's sick. I'll find a way to put it on, but this is sick. It's a little, I guess, sleeve for a cup. Yeah, to help keep it insulated. Oh, it's for a can. Alright, I was like, yo, this is actually a little small for a bottle. Maybe a beer bottle or a can might fit, but that's sick. Zip ties. Yo, I'ma definitely use these, but I might use a few and then keep the other few. This is a pack of 50 piece of the Mighty Car Mods cable ties. So that's sick. Yeah, this stuff I would have bought anyways, just to show some support to them. Oh snap! Yo, it came with a DVD. I mean, I've watched all their stuff anyways, but I guess it's just cool to like have. Yo, that's sick. They even made like their own DVD. That's sick. Yo, that's how you know like you guys like made it on YouTube, when you make stuff out of YouTube. Yeah, that's sick. Probably not gonna watch it because I did have watched all their stuff already. Got some vinyl. That's sick. Mighty Car Mods vinyl. Oh, decal. I don't know if you can pick it up. MightyCarMods.com. I don't know where I'll put it on, but I'll put it on. Oh yes, keychains. Yes, I'm gonna definitely put this on. Mighty Car Mods keychain. Yes. Or lanyard, or whatever it is. So it's like a mini lanyard, but yo, came with black. The red one is chopped. Has the chopped lettering and the logo. That's sick. Chopped keychain right here. Just the logo. That's sick. Chopped sticker. Or vinyl. Decal, whatever you want to call it. That's sick. It's pretty big actually. I'm not even know if I'm gonna put that on, but I'll definitely keep it. So this is a little thank you note from Cheryl, XXOO. Okay. Thank you for exploring the mysterious box of MCM goodness. That's cool. It's all printed nice, sleek, neat. I don't know what the special gift is, but oh, okay. This is a photocopy of I have no idea what this is. It's a photocopy of like a recipe, elaborate like list of something. Yeah, it's like a recipe for something. A little hard to read the cursive, but it is legible. And it's looking like a shirt, and this is the last item. Yeah, looks like a Mighty Car Mods t-shirt. Yeah, I would have like literally bought all these items. Oh, it's not a shirt. It is a little bag or a banner. Yes. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this. Probably hanging up in the room or something. But yo, this is sick. Yeah, it's a little banner. Mighty Car Mods. Oh my gosh, this is huge. It says Mighty Car Mods, right? I can't even read the whole thing. It's approximately, I don't know what my wingspan is, like 5, maybe 6 feet. In between 5 and 6 feet, but that's huge, dude. I would definitely hang it up somewhere. Alright guys, thanks for watching this quick unboxing video. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.